integrated, 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 integrated.
My installation deals with virtual reality and projection mapping. It creates an environment where the user will experience three different worlds made out of mathematical formulas, which are called fractals. So you'll be diving into this planet to experience the familiarities that have in common with nature and the organical forms, as well as man-made constructs.
It's almost like making visible an invisible structure that is embedded everywhere around us that we can't see. The projection mapping on the faces of the cube consists of entirely analog visual effects. The content of these videos are mainly light refractions and water reflections, microscopic as well as macroscopic footage, where I was using the lights coming from a projector and then feeding it back through the camera to add effects on top.
Our senses are just the perception of the world. What we see and perceive is not the absolute reality, but rather a medium. And you could embed VR into all these different senses and make something that your brain would actually believe it's real.
I decided to create a physical space as well as a digital one in a way so that the audience will step inside the cube and leave behind the world we know, to explore the similarities between the real world and this abstract one, created entirely by mathematics.